नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज चौथा लेक्चर हम लेके आए हैं फिल्ट्रेशन का। इसमें भी हम पढ़ेंगे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन इक्विपमेंट्स यूज्ड फॉर फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस। पिछले क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था प्लेट एंड फ्रेम फिल्टर के बारे में और फिल्टर लीफ के बारे में। इस क्लास में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे कि और क्या क्या फिल्ट्रेशन इक्विपमेंट्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस के लिए। सो फर्स्ट जो इक्विपमेंट आज के लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज रोटरी फिल्टर्स। रोटरी फिल्टर्स क्या है? इट जनरली कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ ए हॉलो मेटल सिलेंडर। क्या है इसमें? एक हॉलो मेटेलिक सिलेंडर है जिसमें कि एक मेश लगा हुआ है और उस मेश के थ्रू हम एक फिल्टर क्लॉथ को सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं। ठीक। सो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस filter units have the shape of longitudinal segments towards the periphery of cylinder. So each unit has a perforated metal surface to the outer part of the drum and is covered with the filter cloth. Okay. Then the connections are made from each unit through a rotating valve at the center of the drum where we can apply vacuum. Dimensions of this rotary filters are, it may be up to 2 meter in diameter and 3.5 meter in the length. So let us see the diagram of rotary filter. Okay. So this is the typical diagram of rotary filter. If you will see the diagram as it has been explained in previous slide, that is consists of a hollow metallic cylinder. So this is the hollow metallic cylinder. In this portion a trough is there, that this trough is called as slurry trough. In this trough slurry is kept. Okay. This assembly is divided into different zones. This is called as pickup zone, drainage zone, washing zone, drying zone, and the last one is cake removal zone. Okay. So first is pickup zone. Pickup zone consists of slurry trough. So why it is called as pickup zone? Because as the rotary filter starts rotating, it picks up the slurry from this portion, okay, and it moves to the drainage zone. As soon as after picking the slurry from pickup zone or from the slurry trough, it moves to the drainage zone and the filtrate is passed or flowed towards inside of the this rotary filter, and from there it is filtrate is collected. After drainage zone, again it moves in the upward direction and it reaches to the washing zone. It means the cake which is deposited on the surface of this rotary filter, that is washed in this washing zone. Okay. While washing, what happens, the again some amount of liquid is collected or filtrate is collected in the inside, then it passes to the drying zone. In this drying zone the filter cake is dried. As the filter cake gets dried, then it can be easily removed, this cake can be easily removed by various mechanisms. Here a system is attached, that is scraper knife is attached to this rotary filter. With the help of this scraper knife, the cake is scraped out from this rotary drum filters. So that is why this zone is called as cake removal zone. Within this zone we are removing the cake which is present over the this rotary drum filters. Okay. As soon as cake is removed, it again passes through the pickup zone, then again to drainage zone, then washing zone, and finally it comes to the drying zone. So, in this way filtration takes place in rotary drum filters. So, this is the simple arrangement of different zones which are available in rotary drum filters. Operation of this rotary drum filter, in this case the cylinder rotates at a low speed of 0.1 to 3 rpm. That means the speed of rotary filters is very low, that is 0.1 to 3 rpm, 3 revolutions per minute. So, as it has been explained in previous slide itself, the operation is divided into different zones. First zone is pickup zone. So, in pickup zones what is happening? Slurry is picked up from the slurry trough by the rotary drum filters, and it is received filtrate, slurry is picked up from there and the filtrate is received through the filtrate receiver. The drum picks up the slurry as soon as it comes in contact with the slurry trough, and the filtrate is removed and cake builds up on the filter cloth. The filter cloth which is attached on the outer side of the drum, that filter cloth, to that filter cloth cake is attached to that filter cloth और रिमन केक जो है उस फिल्टर क्लॉथ के ऊपर आ जाता है और फिल्टर्ड जो है अंदर की तरफ आ जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रेनेज जोन. पोजीशन कहाँ से कहाँ तक? फिल्ट्रेट रिसीवर से लेके फिल्ट्रेट रिसीवर तक. क्या होता है यहाँ पे? हम वैक्यूम अप्लाई करते हैं तो अंडर वैक्यूम द फिल्ट्रेट इज रिसीव्ड इन द फिल्ट्रेट रिसीवर. जो भी फिल्ट्रेट उस स्लरी से जब पिकअप करते हैं वहाँ से आता है, तो अगर कोई फिल्ट्रेट क्वांटिटी वहाँ बची हुई है तो उसको हम वैक्यूम अप्लाई करके फिल्ट्रेट रिसीवर में उस फिल्ट्रेट को कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो ये दूसरा जोन था. नेक्स्ट जोन है, उसके बाद वॉशिंग जोन आता है. क्या आता है? वॉशिंग जोन. इसमें क्या करते हैं? वॉश स्प्रे. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? वॉश स्प्रे से वॉश वाटर रिसीवर. ओके, तो जैसा कि डायग्राम में दिख रहा था, वॉशिंग जोन में डिफरेंट आउटलेट्स लगे हुए हैं जहाँ से वाटर हम पास करते हैं. वाटर पास करने से क्या होता है कि वो केक के ऊपर उस पर वाटर स्प्रे किया जाता है और साइमल्टेनियसली जो वाटर हम स्प्रे कर रहे हैं that is collected through the drainage, and the simultaneously drainage is taking place. Sorry. So वॉशिंग में हो रहा है, वॉश स्प्रे से हम वाटर स्प्रे कर रहे हैं केक पे और ड्रेनेज से उस वाटर को निकाल लिया जा रहा है, कलेक्ट कर लिया जा रहा है. ठीक है. आफ्टर दिस वॉशिंग जोन, फर्दर एज द ड्रम मूव्स फर्दर, इट गोज टू द ड्राइंग जोन. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ जोन वेयर ड्राइंग टेक्स प्लेस. क्या होता है यहाँ पे? वॉश वाटर रिसीवर. पहले क्या था? फिल्ट्रेट रिसीवर था. अब क्या हो गया? वॉशिंग जोन से वॉश वाटर रिसीवर यहाँ आ गया एक्शन में. तो यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? अगेन वैक्यूम अप्लाई करते हैं. वैक्यूम अप्लाई करने से क्या हो रहा है कि जो भी वाटर वहाँ प्रेजेंट था वो वॉश वाटर रिसीवर से निकल गया और फिल्टर केक जो है वो क्या हो गया? ड्राई हो गया. उसको हमने ड्राई कर दिया. तो अब जो रोटरी ड्रम फिल्टर था उसके ऊपर हो क्या आ गया, ड्राइड फिल्टर केक। ठीक, उसके बाद फर्दर मूव करेंगे तो जो अगला जोन आता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज केक रिमूवल जोन। मीन्स पहले क्या हुआ, पिकअप जोन से स्लरी पिकअप हुआ, फिल्टर्ड कलेक्ट किया, फिर आया रिसीवर जोन, देन फिर क्या आया वॉशिंग जोन, फिर ड्राइंग जोन एंड देन केक रिमूवल जोन। केक रिमूवल जोन से क्या करेंगे हम, यहाँ पे क्या है एक स्क्रैपर नाइफ लगा हुआ है जिससे क्या होता है कि वो केक को रिमूव करता जाता है जैसे जैसे ड्रम मूव करता है। उसके बाद क्या है कि वो नाइफ क्या है एक फ़िल्टर केक कन्वेयर या बेल्ट के थ्रू अटैच्ड है जिससे कि केक एकदम अलग सेपरेट हो जाता है। इन दिस केस क्या करते हैं हम, compressed air is passed to this zone। ओके, तो एयर को पास करते हैं, क्यों पास एयर कंप्रेस्ड एयर पास करते हैं, टू लूजन द केक, सिंस द केक इज ड्राइड ओवर द रोटरी ड्रम, तो उस केक को लूज़ करने के लिए या ढीला करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, कंप्रेस्ड एयर पास करते हैं जिससे कि केक थोड़ा सा लूजन अप हो जाए और विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्क्रैपर नाइफ हम केक को इजीली रिमूव कर लें और कलेक्ट कर लें। तो ये तो था बेसिक ऑपरेशन ऑफ रोटरी ड्रम फिल्टर। अब केक डिस्चार्ज जो है वो कैसे कलेक्ट करेंगे, तो केक डिस्चार्ज के लिए 3 अलग अलग मेथड्स हैं। देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट मेथड्स विच कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर डिस्चार्ज ऑफ केक्स। क्वेश्चन में कम what are the different zones that are available in a rotary drum filter, along with that what are the different cake discharge methods, kindly explain it. So first cake discharge method is scraper discharge. As we have explained in previous cases that we are using a scraper knife which scrapes out the cake that is deposited on the surface of rotary drum. The same thing here, in this method knife is fitted to scrape a small thickness of the pre-coat along with the cake. So in this case a knife is attached, as you see in the diagram. This is the knife that is called as scraper knife. So it is attached to the sides of the rotary drum filter and it scrapes out what it scraps, pre-coat along with the filter cake. If any pre-coat is applied or pre-coat of filter aid is applied, that also is removed along with the filter cake. But there is a disadvantage associated with the usage of scraper knife. क्या disadvantage है कि नाइफ से फिल्टर क्लॉथ कभी कभी फट जाता है। वियर एंड टीयर ऑफ फिल्टर क्लॉथ इज पॉसिबल विथ स्क्रैपर नाइफ। तो इससे क्या है कि जो फिल्ट्रेट है वो कंटामिनेट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं। दैट्स वाई इन दिस केस ऑफ रोटरी ड्रम फिल्टर्स, filter cloth is frequently changed as we are using scraper knife for the discharge of cake. सेकेंड जो डिस्चार्ज का मेथड है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्ट्रिंग डिस्चार्ज। इसमें क्या होता है कि नंबर ऑफ एंडलेस स्ट्रिंग्स, इसमें हम स्ट्रिंग्स यूज़ करते हैं 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 इस तरह से एक स्ट्रिंग्स रहती हैं जिसको कि हम पतली पतली 1/2 इंच। सो endless strings that are placed about half inch over the width of the drum, and those screens, with the help of these strings the cake is removed. What happens? The from the drum, this string is extended to a open conveyor system. To that open conveyor system, by passing over this, it discharges the cake and again returns to the roller. So, this is the diagram showing the open string discharge system. If you will see in this diagram, this is the rotary drum, over this filter cloth is attached, and above this filter cloth this string is attached. So, over this string the cake is formed, and this string is extended to a open conveyor system, that is to this roller. As soon as string passes through this roller, the cake gets discharged, and after discharging the cake, this string again rolls back to this drum with the help of this guided knob. This is guide comb, and here the cake is discharged, and after discharging the cake, this string is again moving back to the guide knob, and it is again moving along with the rotary drum filter. So, these strings are called as discharge string. This roller is called as discharge and return roll. So, the mechanism of discharging filter cake with the help of strings is called as string discharge method. Okay. Next method is belt discharge. Belt discharge क्या है? This is the third type of discharge process by which filter cakes are removed. Okay. So, it makes the filter cake, it makes the filter cloth to pass on the roller, and the material is discharged on the first roll. Okay. And before it passes to the fed, through it is subjected to washing. Therefore, higher filtration rates may be achieved by using belt discharge process. As you see in the diagram, the filter cloth, this filter cloth which is attached to the rotary drum filter, it is passing through the discharge roll. Okay. After passing through this discharge roll, this is the filter cloth, or you can say that cloth belt. It passes through this discharge roll, and here the what happens? Cake is removed. Okay. Through this discharge roll, the cake is removed from the filter cloth. After discharging the cake, this filter cloth passes through the wash roll. Here the filter cake is washed. As soon as the filter cake is washed, it again comes back to the rotary drum filter. These are the spray pipes which are attached to this belt, which sprays the and this is wash through. So, as soon as the filter cloth passes through this wash through, the filter cloth gets cleaned, and it again passes comes to this rotary drum filter, and from here from the trough, inlet trough, it picks up the slurry. So, in this way, due to this washing of filter cloths also, the efficiency of filtration increases, which leads to the higher filtration rate. Advantages of rotary filters: it is automatic and continuous process, labor cost is low, high capacity, the filtration equipment is having very high capacity, thick slurries containing 15 to 30% of solids can be filtered. That means, the slurry which having more amount of solids, that also can be filtered by using this rotary filters. Variation of rotation speed, if we changes the rotation speed, that also leads to the changes in the thickness of cake, which is formed over the filtration cloth or rotary drum filter. So, by varying the speed of rotation, the thickness can be controlled. For example, solids which are forming impenetrable cakes, that means hard cake, thickness is kept constant within 5 mm. So, for that, accordingly the speed of rotation is adjusted, so that the thickness of cake is not more than 5 mm. For porous cake, the thickness is kept within 100 mm. See the difference. If impenetrable cakes is formed, then the thickness is kept at 5 mm, and if the porous cake is formed, then the thickness is kept within 100 mm. Okay. Disadvantages of rotary drum filter. So, this type of filters, it is having a very complex design with many moving parts, because there are 5 different zones. So, each part is moving in this case. So, the design of the rotary drum filter is very complex. Due to this complexity in nature, it is also a expensive equipment. Okay. In this case, the cake tends to crack. Why? Because vacuum is also applied. So, due to application of this vacuum, the cake tends to crack under vacuum. So, washing and drying are not efficient process. Next disadvantage is, as vacuum is applied, it is unsuitable for liquids which are having near boiling point or low boiling point, because as the vacuum is applied, the boiling point of liquid further decreases, which results in the boiling of filtrate or boiling of liquid. Gelatinous or slimy precipitates, forming impenetrable cake cannot be separated cleanly from the cloth, because since they are gelatinous in nature or sticky in nature, it sticks to the cloth. By scraper processes also, it is difficult to remove this gelatinous precipitates. So, these type of substances are produces or hindrance the rate of filtration while using this rotary filters. Application: collection of calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, starch can be done with the help of this rotary filters. Separation of mycelium from the fermentation liquor in the manufacture of antibiotics can also be done by using rotary filters. These are some applications of rotary filters. Meta filter. Construction and working of meta filter. It consists of a large number of metal rings picked on the fluted rod. So, due to this fluted rods, the grooves on the surface of rod, it provides a channel for discharge of the filtrate. So, as the rings which are used in META filters are made up of stainless steel. Inside diameter of this filtration equipment is 15 mm, outside diameter is 22 mm. The thickness of the medium is 0.8 mm. Okay. So, if you see the diagram, this is the surface view of the ring. Over these are the raised projections, and here you will find some grooves. Through these grooves the liquids are collected. This is the outlet portion, adapter and the ring. Here also you see another view of assembly of rings on column. So, here also you will find the grooved rod. With the help of these grooved rods, the liquid flows out. Okay. The plate, in this case the plate contains number of semicircular projections. So, when the rings are placed on the rod, the channels are formed. As over the rings there is a grooved spaces. Due to this grooved spaces, channels are formed in between the plates and that are tapered, and from about 250 micrometer down to 25 micrometer. Okay. So, these rings are mounted or packed in a vessel, and the slurry to be filtered is pumped under vacuum, under pressure, or vacuum may be used, and the cake which is formed can be removed from outside edge by flushing of water. If you will pass water through it, or by scraping blade, cakes can be removed. Advantages of META filter, these are very strong. So, high pressure can be used with no danger of bursting the filter media. No filter medium is required in this case. So, running cost is low. META filters can be made of corrosion resistant material. So, corrosive materials can also be filtered by using this META filters. It is useful for filtering coarser particles, that means larger size particles can be filtered through it. Removal of cake is effectively carried out by back flushing with water. Disadvantages, it is used for low solid content. META filters are used for clarification of viscous liquids like syrups. So, this is the some application of META filter. References, these are the references from where we have collected the matter. Thank you.